The rollback of the US stimulus program has been high on the agenda recently. That is why it is hardly surprising that markets reacted to the words of Neel Kashkari, the president of the Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis, who said that it was still too early to talk about the program cancellation. Yet the reaction of the commodities market was quite unexpected. Oil prices declined, although they should have increased instead. Apparently, the comment made by the Fed official served as a sign that the recovery of the US economy is not as steady and smooth as investors hoped. This indicates a risk of a slowdown and means that the outlook for oil demand presented by OPEC may fall below expectations. Against this backdrop, Brent crude pulled back from the level of $72 per barrel and repeated the trajectory from August 6. Traders will consider the uptrend if the quotes manage to hold above $70 per barrel on the current time frame. Then Brent may turn towards the area of $72 a barrel, just as it did last Wednesday and Thursday. In case the price moves slightly lower, it may continue its decline to the range of $68–67 a barrel. Unfortunately, there is no clarity yet. As for WTI crude, its nearest resistance is found near $69.50 per barrel, from where the price has pulled back. To develop a further downtrend, the quotes of the US benchmark should settle below $67.50 per barrel. Otherwise, the price may reverse towards the area of 69 and 69.50. In the meantime, the dollar-ruble pair is influenced by the oversold conditions of the US dollar. Thus, the greenback eased against the ruble by almost 1% last Friday. The level of 72.90 serves as a pivot point for the pair, so the volume of short positions decreased near this mark. In the course of a correlation, the dollar-ruble pair returned to the area of 73.40. This may be just the beginning of an upward movement. As for the euro-ruble pair, it found its resistance at 86, and this is where the price reversed. Judging by the chart, the pair has just entered the phase of a correction. Given that the euro has weakened, the pair may well decline by 1 or 1.5%. A sudden drop in the US dollar that happened right after the start of the US trading session last Friday has definitely influenced the ruble. Yet the growth of the Russian currency turned out to be quite moderate, which indicates that the upside potential for the ruble is very weak. The reason for this lies in the disappointing macroeconomic data. Of course, the economic recovery continues, but its pace is much slower than expected. It is also possible that the recovery will be replaced by stagnation. That is what stops the ruble from significant growth. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.